How to use Alibaba's buyer protection features. Want to buy with confidence? This guide shows you how to use Alibaba's buyer protection features so you can get your money back if something goes wrong. The most important buyer protection feature is trade assurance. This is a free service from Alibaba that protects your order. If something goes wrong with your order, Alibaba will help you get a refund. Always look for this badge when you're buying something. Alibaba also has a secure payment system that protects your money. When you pay a supplier through Alibaba, your money is held in escrow until you confirm that you have received the products and are happy with them. Only then your money will be released to the supplier. This is the best way to protect your money. If you have a problem with your order, you can use Alibaba's dispute system to get a refund. You can open a dispute and provide all the details about your problem. Alibaba will then mediate the problem and help you get a refund. You now know how to use Alibaba's buyer protection. Stay safe and buy with confidence. Like and subscribe for more business tips.